At VitrXpert, we all know the auto industry is changing at a frenetic pace. Vehicles have become faster, more technologically advanced, and safer than ever before. Advanced assisted driving systems are in constant evolution. It's now clear that techniques, tools, and products used to repair them also need to adapt at the same speed. Delivering the car back to its original condition the fastest way possible is our primary concern in every windshield replacement. This is what motivated us to look for a safe and effective solution that would allow us to notch up the efficiency of our windshield replacements, while fulfilling our commitment to offer to our clients total security, high-quality installation, and total flexibility. This solution, Sika had already created it. SikaTack Elite PowerCure. Thanks to this system, VitrXpert can proudly commit to total security to every one of its customers without delay nor compromise.